Have you been trying to play games on your PlayStation today but could not sign in? If yes, you're not alone. Thousands of PlayStation users around the world have reported problems with the PlayStation Network, also known as PSN. Many players were unable to access online games, the PlayStation Store, or even their friend lists. The issue quickly became one of the biggest trending topics among the gaming community. According to reports, the problem started when many users suddenly lost access to PlayStation Network services. Players on PS5 and PS4 shared that they were seeing connection errors, login problems, and difficulty joining online matches. Because of this, many popular online games became difficult or impossible to play for a while. Soon after the reports increased, many gamers checked the official PlayStation Network status page to see whether the issue was coming from Sony's side. The server status confirmed that some network services were experiencing problems. This helped users understand that the issue was not caused by their own internet connection or gaming console. Reports also suggest that the outrage was connected to a wider technical issue involving Amazon Web Services, also known as AWS. Many companies around the world use AWS to support their online services. When a technical issue happens there, it can sometimes affect several websites, apps, and gaming services at the same time. While Sony has not shared every technical detail, this explanation matches what technology experts observed during the outrage. The good news is that service recovery has already started in several regions. Some players have reported that they can now sign in again, access online games, and use the PlayStation Store without any problems. However, not everyone is back online yet. Depending on your location, you may still experience occasional connection issues while the recovery process continues. Many players are asking one important question: when will PlayStation Network be fully fixed? At the moment, Sony has not announced an official time for complete restoration. Since network recovery happens step by step, some regions return to normal faster than others. This means some users may be able to play immediately, while others may need to wait a little longer. If your PlayStation is still not connecting, there are still a simple few steps you can try. First, restart your PS5 or PS4. Next, restart your internet router. Then, check the official PlayStation Network service status page to see whether the problem has been resolved in your area. If the service is still affected, the best option is simply to wait until the recovery is complete. In most cases, outrages like this are resolved within few hours. Events like this remind us how much modern gaming depends on online services. Today, millions of players enjoy multiplayer games, digital downloads, cloud saves, and online features every day. When a network experiences a temporary problem, it can affect gamers across many different countries at the same time. Fortunately, these situations are usually temporary, and service providers work quickly to restore everything as safely and smoothly as possible. As recovery continues, more players should regain full access to their PlayStation accounts and online games. In my opinion, it's always good to stay patient during technical outrage because these issues are usually temporary. I also think checking official updates instead of believing rumors help gamers stay informed with accurate information. Thank you for watching. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest gaming and technology news.